There are deeply sacred moments when Allah's mercy is especially near, and dua, supplication, is more likely to be accepted. These moments are rooted in authentic hadith and the wisdom of the Quran. Here's a beautifully organized guide to help you align your dua with divine timing. Spiritually powerful times for accepted dua. 1. Last third of the night, Allah descends to the lowest heaven and asks, "Who is calling upon me?" Bukhari. 2. During sujood, prostration. You're closest to Allah. Pour your heart out in humility. Muslim. 3. Between adhan and iqama. A sacred window before prayer begins. Tirmidhi. 4. After obligatory prayers, a time of spiritual closeness and completion. Tirmidhi. 5. While fasting and at iftar, fasting purifies the soul. Breaking fast is a moment of gratitude. Tirmidhi. 6. On Fridays, especially before Maghrib, a hidden hour of acceptance. Abu Dawud. 7. Day of Arafah, the pinnacle of dua during Hajj. Immense mercy flows. Tirmidhi. 8. When it rains, rain is a sign of divine mercy. Dua flows with it. Abu Dawud. 9. While traveling, the traveler's dua is not rejected. Tirmidhi. 10. When oppressed or wronged, Allah responds to the cry of the oppressed. Bukhari. 11. When drinking Zamzam water, make dua with intention. It's a moment of healing and hope. Ibn Majah. 12. When a parent prays for their child, a heartfelt dua from a parent carries immense weight. Tirmidhi. Bonus. States of heart that invite acceptance, sincerity and humility, tears of longing or repentance, certainty in Allah's response, sending blessings upon the Prophet ﷺ before and after your dua.